My name is Rami Meekins, and I'm going to be speaking about the Dawn Spacecraft mission and its trip to the asteroid Ceres and Vesta. Dawn launched in the year 2007 to travel to discover what was in the asteroid belt beyond our home Earth. It spent 11 years in space traveling the asteroid belt. The journey was about 6.9 billion kilometers, which is extremely far. Several years before, in the early 2000s, Dawn was selected for the Discovery program and had its status canceled a few times, then reinstated for good in 2006, leading to its relaunch in 2007. The Dawn space probe is made up of two solar planar wings, aluminum, a graphite composite cylinder, titanium, and xenon tanks inside. A parabolic 1.52 meters high-gain dish antenna is on this side. It was set up with a scientific camera, a neutron spectrometer, an infrared mapping spectrometer, and gravity measurements so that I can use the telecommunications subsystems. Dawn was the first mission ever to visit a dwarf planet in the galaxy. Dawn had officially left to travel from Earth into the asteroid belt on September 27th at 7:34 a.m. Eastern Direct Time. It was slowly making its way towards Vesta in 2008, first thrusting past Mars, making a flyby in October of '08, and was basically on its way to Vesta by February 18th of 2009. Vesta is an asteroid number 4 for being the fourth asteroid discovered in the asteroid belt, which was found by Heinrich Wilhelm Olbers and was named after the goddess of the earth in mythology in Rome. It is the second most big asteroid in the main belt as has more than 9% more mass than all the other asteroids. It is almost classified as a dwarf planet. It is separated into three parts: the crust, the mantle, and the core, much like our Earth. From orbiting Vesta, it was shown that it was about 1 to 2 million years old. Vesta has one of the brightest ranges that was seen from a rocky asteroid body in the solar system. Dawn was approaching Vesta's orbit and had several images captured starting on May 3, 2011. It had entered Vesta's belt officially on September 5th, 2012. Dawn found a cratered surface on Vesta, accompanied by a rough physical feature on the asteroid. These images show that Vesta contains light and dark patches on its surface, so its outside appearance is similar to that of our moon. A crater called Claudia, about 700 meters big, was discovered and was used to describe the meridian of the asteroid. Ceres. Ceres is classified as a C-type asteroid, one of the largest objects in the belt between Mars and Jupiter. It is the only dwarf planet located in the inner solar system. It is 2.8 astronomical units from the Sun. It takes approximately 1,682 Earth days to go around the Sun. That is about almost 4.5 Earth years. This is an extremely long time from where we are now. They call it the embryonic planet because it started to form into one of, but it didn't finish its journey. It is seen as being similar to Venus, Mars, the Earth, and Mercury, just with a denser core. It has a later interior. Dawn had gone into orbit around the dwarf planet Ceres in 2015 and entered the belt on March 6. Ceres is one of the largest planets in the asteroid belt that was discovered. Ceres had been recently geographically active and has focal on its surface. It has a huge volcano named Ahuna Mons. It is 5 kilometers high on its steepest side, and scientists have concluded that liquid may be beneath Ceres' surface, which could possibly indicate that life may have previously existed there. Dawn returned back to Earth due to the fact that it had ran out of hydrazine, an organic compound and flammable gas for the space probe. It no longer had the ability to point its antenna back to Earth, so it wasn't able to communicate some information back to us. Its mission had finished officially on October 31st in 2018. It had traveled to these two asteroids because scientists were looking to see if there are any other possibilities of having resources of life on them, like volcanic activity, liquid underneath the surface, and to see how long the asteroid existed within our vicinity. This is my project on Dawn's mission to Ceres and Vesta.